Wow, those jellyfish can't exist anywhere, huh?
Nope.
No water necessary.
Yep.
Cool.
Well, they're jelly birds. That sounds weird, doesn't it?
It does. It does. It absolutely does.
Jelly bird.
I saw everything on your face. Just I'm gonna say this out loud, and then as you were saying it, you were like, "Oh yay!"
Jelly bird.
Oh, Aaron, you are a funny guy.
From now on, these things are called jelly bird.
So happy with yourself.
It's not me. I just think jelly bird is funny.
It is.
Anything with jelly in front of it is funny. Like Jelly Belly. That's a real brand.
It is a very successful classic brand.
Oh, Jelly Belly.